Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you a secret command that you can quickly use to open the performance monitor on your Windows PC. So how do we do that? Simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or on the taskbar, and you want to go ahead and type in run and open up the run command. Now from here, all you have to do is type in the word perfmon, and it's going to quickly open up the Windows performance monitor here. And that's all that you need to do. So remember it, perfmon, and it's going to quickly open up the Windows performance monitor here on your PC. So if you're ever in need of this tool, guys, just simply go ahead and use the run command, and you can type in perf1 and you can open it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.